USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links that say join free Telegram channel. So go and join my Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers and the pro firm right here. I want you to sign up and have a separate account with these brokers when you are going to trade with my signals and with my signals only in that account. Okay, so subscribe, like, join Telegram, do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame, weekly, but still below the EMA. So officially, we are in the downtrend back. Maybe we'll go up in the times to come. So weekly doesn't have any clarity, but this week we are taking a pullback. Okay, so by Wednesday, you get to by Wednesday, if you come to this daily chart, in this weekly chart, when you come on Wednesday, you can see how the market is going in last 3 days or how the market will end up by Friday. So looks like this week will be all about taking a pullback, and then from next week we will go up most probably. Okay, so next 2 days I think we will be looking for shorts in USDJPY. Coming back to Delhi here, Delhi is what? Delhi looks like to me it's a pullback. Okay, so if you have to use your fib levels from here till here, okay, there you go. I think we still have potential. Okay, we still have potential to go down until 144.20. You can see that 78%. Okay, so don't be shocked if it comes down to 78%, and then from next week you will take a continuation of the uptrend. So let's find our entry. I think we are still up. Okay, let me check 4 hour. We are up officially. By definition, the price is above the EMA in Delhi and also above the EMA in 4 hour. Okay, yesterday, if you go and watch my yesterday's USDJPY video, I told you once this red candle is eaten by the blue candle, you enter long and take your 100 pips profit. That's what I said. And that is even possible in the counter trades. For example, if you see that this was the downtrend, this is the start of a new downtrend, pullback and downtrend will continue. Still, you had the potential to get your 90 pips if you would have entered here. Okay, so if I would have entered here, let's say at 144.940 and exit out here, you will easily get your 90 pips, right? That's how you trade, because I told you in 4 hour, if you know exactly your analysis where the trend is going, you can still make your 50, 60, 70 pips even in the counter trade. Okay, because this was a long push towards the down. We were oversold. I told you yesterday we are oversold. We will only buy. So I took a position here. I took my 80, 90 pips profit and I'm done. And now if it goes down, let it go down. I mean, once this red candle eats this, eats this blue candle, which has done already, I think so. If you enter sell right now and take your profits maybe here, you should be good to go. So if you want 50 pips profit, enter short right now and then just take your profit somewhere here. And that's it. So that's the continuation of the downtrend. Okay, so if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Join Telegram, join brokers, and take care. Have a good day.